City of Churro's visit had made Duck really proud of being Great Western. The trucks ran smoothly, trains ran on time, and the passengers even stopped grumbling. There are only two ways of doing things, Duck could say. The Great Western way and the wrong way. I'm Great Western, and don't we know it, said the engines. They were glad when a visitor came. This, said the Fat Controller, is Diesel. I've agreed to give him a trial. He must learn. Please teach him, Duck. Thank you, sir, said Diesel. Is that James and Gordon and Henry too? Oh, I am delighted to meet such famous engines. Oh, come along, said Duck, and they rushed to the yard. Oh, yes, the yard, said Diesel. You're Fat Controller. So, top-on hat to you, said Duck. Diesel looked hurt. You're worthy, Sir Topham Hat. Thinks I must learn. He is mistaken. Diesels are revolutionary. We come to a yard and improve it. Well, if you are so thingamagummy, you won't mind arranging my cars while I fetch Gordon's coaches. Diesel, delighted to show off, hurried away. Diesel came back. The Duck came back to find Diesel trying to move a line of trucks. They were old and rusty and clearly had not been moved for a long time. Come on, he said to the trucks. We can't, we won't. He moved back and forwards. A rusty coupling broke and he shot off by himself. He went back to move the cars again. He pushed and pushed, and then the brakes fell loose and the gear jammed in the sleepers. Duck, chuckling to himself, ran over to where the other cars were waiting. Don't you want this lot? Said Diesel. No, thank you, said Duck. Why didn't you tell me? Said Diesel. You didn't ask. Anyway, you are having too much fun being Rev, whatever it was you said. Goodbye, said, and he puffed away. Diesel had to stay and clean up the mess. Soon he heard them singing. Cars are waiting in the yard, tackling 'em with Diesel. Show the world what I can do, gaily boasts the Diesel. In and out he creeps up out like a big black weasel. But when he pulls the wrong trucks out, pop goes the Diesel. Diesel was cross and went away to sulk in the shed.